Just a quick video. I'm sure most of you will be familiar with a Tecsun PL 330. It's been out for some years now. I've got one myself. It's a good basic shortwave portable receiver. Full coverage of the shortwave bands, and you've got SSB if you wish to listen to radio amateurs and utilities. It's also got medium wave, long wave, and FM, of course. No RDS, but a lovely clear LCD display. Quite a robust little package, easy to tune, and all in all, it works very well. Runs on a BL5C, like the old Nokia style mobile phone battery, and just easy to use. Very, very popular radio. You'll see AliExpress has got them for 45 UK pounds here. But what I have noticed recently is this radio. This is the Tecsun PL 520. Now you can see it's showing as a 2026 model. It's quite a bit more expensive than the 330, 15 UK pounds. So it's quite a jump. It looks almost identical to the 330. Okay, you can see the layout of the keypad and the buttons. There is a favorites button here, okay, above the mode button there on the keypad. That doesn't appear on the 330. It's difficult to see what the difference is, but I think it's questionable whether there's going to be any difference in performance. But what this radio does have, we'll scroll down, and hopefully we'll see here that although it says it comes with a USB-B cable, if we scroll down to the photographs, I think it's in this ad, if we're lucky. We can also see there's a kickstand, incidentally. Little kickstand at the back of the 520, which the 330 doesn't have. Looks like it's the same BL5C battery within it. But look, we've got a USB-C charging port, and it's a micro USB on the 330. So, and it does say Type-C there, so it's at odds with what it says about the cable, but looking at the pictures, it's definitely a Type-C USB for charging. The other side, just the same as the 330 with your tuning and your volume knob, but you can see the kickstand there in action. So that is the Tecsun PL 520. Looks like an upgrade, a replacement of the 330. Hopefully we'll see a bit more of a reduction in price. It's quite a bit more expensive than the 330 at the moment. Doesn't appear to have any major improvements. 650 memories. Well, I never use memories in shortwave radios. FM reception from 64 to 108. SSB. It's basically the same as the 330, but with a USB-C type charging and the little kickstand at the back to support the radio when you're using it. So there it is. Potential 330 PL 330 replacement, the Tecsun PL 520.